Today I took apart my father's old Boston electric pencil sharpener, because it wasn't turning. When I would put the pencil in the gear, I could hear the motor going, but hold on a minute, let me clean my camera. There we go. So I would put the pencil in and I could hear the motor turning, but it wouldn't sharpen. So I had cleaned out the drawer and threw away all the old shavings, and then I eventually finally took it apart and I cleaned out the sharpener. I probably could do a better job of cleaning that. Let's see. There we go. I could probably try and do a better job of cleaning this. But anyway, that didn't do anything. And so as I kind of looked at it a little bit more, I realized that this old number 3 gear that was in the back of the sharpener was missing some teeth. Yeah. So I thought that might be the problem. Kind of ran it by my husband. And sure enough, there's a small white gear here in the back of my sharpener that when this little gear turns, where is it? I don't even see. Oh, there it is. Okay. So when this little gear turns, this little gear here would turn, and as it turned, then it would turn this gear, and so that little white gear would get hooked and stuck right here. This was just wide enough. These 2 missing teeth were making a space wide enough that this gear would get stuck in there. So this wouldn't turn, but the motor would keep going, and then of course this gear turns this mechanism here, which sits around a gear or something like that. Anyway, so I'm really proud of myself for taking this apart. My father was an engineer, and this was his sharpener, so it was kind of like just a little ode to my dad to take this apart. And I found a gear online from gears.com. They make 3D printed gears. This was a number 3 gear. There you can see the number 3 there. So I ordered that, and those should be here on September, somewhere between the 3rd and the 5th. So I'll be able to put this back together again and have this old workhorse Boston pencil sharpener working again. I love using pencil. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. I hope you all are well. Bye.